Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HubSpot blog SEO settings for US search intent, complete guide step by step clearly. To update HubSpot blog SEO settings for US search intent, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing dashboard on the main menu. Click on website and then select blog from the drop-down options. Choose the specific blog you want to optimize by clicking on it. Once on the blog settings page, scroll down to the SEO options section. Start by reviewing the blog post title. Ensure it is engaging and includes relevant keywords for the US audience. Next, check the meta description. Optimize it by incorporating target keywords, keeping it under 160 characters. Move on to the URL settings. Edit the URL slug to be concise and descriptive, reflecting the blog content. Now, look for the keyword section. Identify and add primary and secondary keywords that align with US search intent. Then, focus on your headings and subheadings. Incorporate keywords naturally to improve SEO and enhance readability. Review the content for keyword density. Aim for a balance, ensuring keywords are present without keyword stuffing. Next, check image optimization. Add alt text to each image, describing the content while including relevant keywords. After that, optimize internal linking. Link to other related posts within your blog to improve site navigation and SEO. Consider external linking to credible sources that support your content. Now, review the mobile optimization settings. Ensure the blog looks good and functions well on mobile devices for better user experience. Once all changes are made, preview the blog. Make sure everything appears as intended, checking for formatting and links. Finally, publish or update your blog post to make the changes live. Regularly monitor performance through HubSpot Analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.